We are at Blue Grouse on the patio in the beautiful Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Stacy Hornemann, the winemaker here. In the Cowichan Valley, we've got a lot of volcanic soils and just sort of seabed that has come out of the ocean, as well as activity from glaciers moving around, melting and refreezing and melting and refreezing. We're growing grapes and purchasing grapes from all over the Cowichan Valley, and all bring something different to the resulting wine at the end. So the Grouse's Eye View is a philosophy, but it's also just our way of saying that we express the wines from the Cowichan Valley in a way that will best demonstrate what we can do from a viticulture and wine growing standpoint. Yeah, so this first bottle, it's a humid day out, a little condensation here, but it is a Charme method sparkling that is special to Vancouver Island. It's a trademarked name, Charme de L'Île, so it translates to Charm of the Island. So this is a really fun blend of Ortega, Schomburger, Pinot Gris, Bacchus, that really plays to the strengths of the island, aromatic, high acidity wines. So that's number one. The Pinot Gris vines that we have on the property here being some of the oldest in British Columbia. The Pinot Gris from the island are very vibrant. Our site here produces a sort of mineral component and a mineral anchoring, the finish of the wine. Last but certainly not least is Chardonnay. Can't really talk about wine without bringing up Chardonnay. Chardonnay is one of my favorite varieties. It's just a very diverse grape, and the Chardonnays that we produce off of Vancouver Island in the Cowichan Valley, again, have really vibrant acidity, but you can still tell it's Chardonnay. I like aromatic white wines, so anything that you see here, I like to pair it with salty and crunchy. So is it an olive or is it a cracker with a bunch of sea salt on it? Sea salt and vinegar chips. So the Cowichan Valley actually is the only sub-GI outside or on the island, on Vancouver Island, which I think is an official nod to how special it is. It is so different from the Okanagan in the way that it does not get as hot, and it also does not get as cold. Come visit us on the island. It's just a ferry ride or a seaplane ride away from mainland BC. We've got lots of great eateries in town, lots of local cheeses. If you have to stay close to home, you can find these 3 wines that we've chatted about in your local BC liquor store.